A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students of 11th class subject Botany, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, we are studying the viroids, and in our previous lecture we have studied the status of viroids and the diseases caused by these viroids. Now today we will study the structure and characteristic features of viroids. So, dear students, our today's topic is structure and characteristic features of viroids. Now, first the structure of viroids. Dear students, structurally, viroids are smaller than viruses and possess circular and single strands of ribonucleic acids, that is RNAs, with no protein coating. So structurally, that means regarding their structure, or in other words, we can say regarding the structure of viroids, these are small, or they are smaller than viruses, and they contain circular and single strands of ribonucleic acids, that is RNAs, with no protein coating. These entities hijack the cellular machinery present in plant cells to replicate new copies of itself. These viroids hijack the cellular machinery present in plant cells to replicate new copies of itself. It primarily affects all forms of higher plants. The plants that are infected by viroids are responsible for the crop failures and also cause loss of millions of dollars in the agricultural revenue every year. So they are very dangerous as they cause the infection and diseases in plants and are responsible for this less production of crops, and thus they cause this loss of millions of dollars in agricultural field every year. Some of the plants that are affected by these pathogens, the plants which are affected by the viroids, are potatoes, tomatoes, coconut, cucumbers, chrysanthemum, palms, and avocados. These are the different types of plants which are affected or in which an infection or disease is caused by these viroids. Now the characteristic features of viroids. Number one, viroids are formed only on the RNA. These are formed only on the RNA. Number second, characteristic feature of these viroids is that these are known to be smaller in size and infect only the plants. They only infect the plants and are smaller in size. Number third, viroids are the species of nucleic acid with relatively low molecular weight and a unique structure. Number fourth, they reproduce within the host cell. They only reproduce within the host cell, which they affect in and cause variations in them, causing death. So these viroids reproduce only within the host cell, and they affect this host cell and cause variations, resulting the death of the organism. Number five, viroids are said to move in an intracellular manner. Viroids are said to move in an intracellular manner, cell to cell, through the plasmodesmata and a long distance through the folium. So these were the characteristic features of these viroids, and in this way we have completed these viroids and we have studied their structure, their this status, their characteristic features. So in this way we have completed this topic, today's topic, and in our next lecture we will study the other questions of this unit which we have now discussed so far. And till tomorrow, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.